Alright, so welcome back guys. In this section we're going to be doing something very interesting. We're going to be building out the very popular Facebook application. So with this app we are going to be learning a ton of different concepts that is going to help us to become very good Android developers. But before we get into the real stuff, I'm going to go ahead and pull up the app so that we can see what we are going to have at the end of the day. So I'm going to go ahead and run the app. Okay, and here is the login screen. So this is where you can enter your email and password to log into the Facebook app. This is what we call the app. So if you're yet to register, you can go ahead and click on sign up. I'm already registered, but I can go ahead and create a new account. So let's say our name is Ufinix, our first name. Alright, so now that we've provided all the details, I'm going to go ahead and click on sign up. Alright, so you can see we made a mistake in our password and this recognized it by telling us password does not match. Okay, so I think this should be correct now. So let's go ahead and sign up to the app. So registration was successful and we are successfully signed into the app. Okay, so this is what our app is going to look like at the end of the day. If you take a look at the app, you see that the app was well and beautifully designed. So the app basically allows us to make a post, with an image and some text content. So currently we have some post here that was made by Steven Stegall and Dave Williams, alright? And this post has 1 like and the second one has 2 likes. So I can go ahead and like any of the posts that, that interest me. So the first post looks quite interesting, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the like button. Alright, so as you can see, this changed to 2 likes. I can go ahead and like the second post as well by clicking the like button, and this changed to 3 likes. Another beautiful feature that we have is that we can go ahead and use the swipe refresh. So when we scroll down, we can go ahead and refresh the post. That is if we have a new post in the feed. So this will go ahead and show up here. We can also use the menu to refresh if we like. So now the next thing we need to do is to go ahead and make a post. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this what's on your mind. So it will take us to an activity where we can make our post. I also need to mention that the post updates in real time. So what I'm going to do will be to pull up another instance of this application with another user logged in. Alright, so we have another user. So what we're going to do is that we're going to make a new post and we're going to see how the post updates on the second app. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this image. So we can either take a photo or we upload from our gallery. So we're going to upload from our gallery. So I'm going to go ahead and select an image of my choice. So I'm going to select this. So now that I've selected the image of our choice, we're going to go ahead and write some text. Okay, so I've gone ahead to write what's on my mind. So on my mind, this is a post that shows the capabilities of our beautiful Facebook clone app. I love the way it looks, so what do you think? Now let's go ahead and submit our post. So I'm going to click on submit post. So our post is being submitted to our database. Boom. Okay, so now we have our post here. So you see that the post was automatically updated on the second app without we having to do anything. So this is one of the features that we're going to be exploring in this section. We're going to be looking at how to build real-time applications. That is, application that updates in real time. So the images are loading up. It loads automatically actually. Okay, so our app has completely updated and the images are showing. So if this post makes some sense to me, I can go ahead and like it. I can click on like. So you can see that the number of like increased on the second app as well. So if this user likes the post as well and he goes ahead and like it as well, so you can see the number of like increases on the second app. So this is some of the cool features that we're going to be building out in this app. So by the time that we are done building this application, we would have successfully learned and practiced a lot of different concepts. Some of the notable concepts will include Firebase Cloud Firestore, which is an online database that allows you to save your data, which is what we see here. And also we're going to be learning about Firebase storage. which allows you to save files, things like images and songs and videos. You can save it on Firebase storage. And also we'll learn about Firebase authentication, how to do impressive user interface design, and how to access your gallery, take photos with your camera within your app, amongst other things. So I'm really excited to show you all of this, and if you're excited as I am, then head over to the next video so that we can get started.